Hello dear traders. For today's analysis, I will cover the Australian dollar versus US dollar and USD versus Japanese yen. I will update you on the Australian dollar versus US dollar since this trade in this opportunity that I recommended yesterday is going pretty good and it's already into the 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. So I recommended yesterday to watch for a sell at 0.7800 with a stop at 0.7820. Now the price action right now we are literally this currency pair is literally trading like 67-68 pips in the profit so far, and the larger time frame structure is looking better and better, and this looks like a really continuation and completion of this ABC of this downside swing with an ABC upside correction. And now we have this pivot level which you can think about exiting maybe partial position, partial lots, and maybe at 0.730. But I really think that this got the potential to go all the way down around the 0.700 area, 0.7690. So this is definitely a home run position for this week from my perspective, and it's producing a very good risk reward ratio so far, and it's still counting. So that's a one thing on Australian dollar versus US dollar. But a new fresh opportunity I found on the USD versus Japanese yen. It's just the beginning from my perspective of this upside continuation. And what I see here is basically we got a strong upside run. We did have a climax and the price started to pull back, like very controlled. We call this a slope channel, basically very controlled tight channel. And we got a consolidation on the low and the breakout to the top. This is a pretty bullish environment for the USD versus Japanese yen. And I also suggest that you watch for a buying on the pullbacks here. So watch for a pullback, intraday, 15-30 minute pullback, and then try to play for this upside move and eventual test of the 109.80. You can also use the stop to be on the bottom of this or just where we start the breakout. So you can put a 109 stop or even 108.90 and then see if this can retest 109.82, buy some pullback there. And if we break 109.82, there is a potential that we can go all the way up on this beginning of the April high at 110.85. So there's a plenty of potential for the USDN for this upside continuation. We can also project put some trend line, try to project eventual end of the rally and potential objectives. So you will see that there is a potential for a very good upside leg based on this. If you also want to do a measuring to measure the upside swing and project that into the future, where you have a 230 pips initial first leg, add this to this pullback, there you go. You have potential objective again around 110.65. So plenty of potential for short-term trading, also intraday on the pullback. Watch for buying on the pullbacks on the USD versus Japanese yen.